Okay, I want to make a video on this product right here by Garden Safe. It's an insecticide soap. It's supposed to kill bugs through contact. It is going to be good for vegetables, fruit trees, shrubs, flowers, gardens, all kinds of stuff basically. But I have a crepe myrtle in my yard that is starting to turn black, and the flowers are getting ate up, the leaves are getting ate up, and it's all because of a bug called aphids, and it's all over the leaves. You can see the black mold on the bark and the trees. These particular bugs are usually on the bottom side of the leaves. I think you can see them all right in here in this area. I'm going to go ahead and try this product. I am in southern Louisiana. I hear this is a problem for many other states, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a video and see if this helps my crepe myrtle. This product does claim it controls aphids, so let's go ahead and try it out. They basically want you to spray it on very thick, so you want a good coverage. You want good coverage. I'm just gonna spray all of the leaves, really try to get underside the leaves. I am wearing eye protection. So we're gonna check back in a week and see how good this works. I also wanted to point out, I did a little bit of pruning to make this tree a little more manageable. So a little pruning, hopefully it's gonna encourage good, healthy regrowth, and like I said, just try to make it a little more manageable. Here I am spraying the product from up top. Probably best that you start up high and then work your way down. I'm probably gonna have to cover this a couple of different times. The good thing about this sprayer is you have the spray and a stream setting on here, so depends on how close you can get to it and how wide of a coverage you want. It definitely has a setting for a bunch of different situations. I'm over here spraying the limbs, the leaves, trying to get on the underside of the leaf, because that's where I hear that's where they live the most. But I'm spraying everything. And what I could tell you right now is this is just one tree, and I have a feeling I'm gonna kill this whole 32-ounce container. So if you have multiple crepe myrtles, you're probably gonna have to buy the larger product. Okay, yeah, I just killed this whole container on this tree. I really wanted to get some thorough coverage, and good thing I did prune this tree down first to make it a little more manageable. But we're about to see what that does. Hopefully this $10 product really saves this tree, because it's really hurting it producing the pretty flowers that crepe myrtles produce. So links will be in the description, and I will update you in a week to see what all it does. Thank you. Okay, I wanted to do a 2-week update on my tree. Visually, we still got the black mold on the limbs and the leaves. I'm sure this isn't going to be something that's going to just change overnight. I think this is going to take some time to actually work. Let me go take a look at a leaf over here. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Okay, it looks like we still have some of those aphids on these leaves. but I think it did help a good bit. I did read after I did this product that you should avoid during full sun, so that probably was going against me. And it shouldn't rain within 24 hours of applying the product. It may have rained within that time, so I got two things going against me. We'll see if this looks better in a couple of months or something like that, and I'll update you.